We've been teaching the same way for hundreds of years now, but the world around us has changed, and along with it, employer and industry needs have hugely changed and will not stop changing. So at VU, we changed the way you learn with our Africa's first VU block model. Traditionally, you juggle the demands and deadlines of 6 modules at once. Instead, the VU block model has you focus on one module at a time. Each year will be broken into 3 semesters, and we call them trimesters. Each trimester will be broken into 4 blocks, which run for 4 weeks. You focus on one module in each block, completing all your assessments before moving on to the next module. So, instead of this, the VU block model looks like this. Students have greater focus, learning one thing at a time, and no interruptions. Studying in smaller or more collaborative classes, students only attend class 2 or 3 days per week only. So, you can still focus on other important activities in your life. The block model offers students flexible study options, support from one teacher per module, and practical hands-on teaching that prepares you for your unpredictable future. With the introduction of the VU block model, student success is soaring, with a pass rate of over 97% for undergraduate students and more than 70% receiving grades at distinction level or above. VU students are also more engaged and satisfied with their university experience. Employers are noticing the difference, and soon they'll be ranking VU to be number 1 in Uganda for employability. So, when you study under the VU block model, you know it's proven to give you the support and skills you need to succeed, not only in your studies, but in your career. Victoria University is leading an education revolution, and we are restoring the higher education promise with a new way to do university.
Join the revolution. Choose Victoria University. Make Uganda better.